Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of reusable cloth pads with a product that's making waves in the market. Get ready to discover why these green lifestyle washable underpads are the best choice for your needs. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at what makes these underpads stand out from the rest. Crafted by Green Lifestyle, these washable underpads are designed to offer maximum comfort and convenience for both humans and pets alike. Available in a pack of 4, each pad measures a generous 34 by 36 inches, providing ample coverage for beds and surfaces. Made from high-quality quilted cloth, these pads are built to lock in moisture effectively, ensuring a dry and comfortable experience. Whether you're dealing with incontinence issues, potty training toddlers, or caring for elderly loved ones, these underpads have got you covered. They're also perfect for pet owners, offering a reliable solution for accidents and spills. What sets these underpads apart is their exceptional absorbency. Thanks to their ultra-heavy-duty construction, they can handle large amounts of urine without leaking through. Plus, with a dependable waterproof backing, you can trust that your mattress will stay protected. And here's the best part: these underpads are machine washable. At Green Lifestyle, sustainability is a top priority. Which is why they've crafted these pads from premium quality fabric with reinforced seams. They're built to last, wash after wash, reducing waste and saving you money in the long run. But don't just take our word for it. Customers around the globe are raving about the performance of these underpads. From their easy cleaning process to their excellent value for money. It's clear why these pads have become a favorite among households and pet owners alike. So there you have it, folks, the best reusable cloth pads on the market. Whether you're managing incontinence, potty training, or simply looking for a sustainable solution for your pet, these Green Lifestyle washable underpads are a game changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below if you've tried these underpads yourself. Until next time, happy shopping.